chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dicing with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. Want to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So today is Tuesday. So you know what that means. It's that good Taco Tuesday. So I have my ground beef right here. Hit dice. You know what I mean? Got my taco seasoning. We have our black beans right here. Black beans. We have our hard shell taco. And our soft shell taco. So we're about to make it happen right here in this good kitchen. You know what I mean? So I hope my good family and friends, I hope y'all enjoy this video. You know, I'm off this good wine right here. I done had me a couple cups. So I'm enjoying this night, this good Taco Tuesday. You hear me? So I'm gonna take a sip for y'all. You hear? So let's get in this kitchen. You hear me? Alright, so we go ahead and toss this ground beef in there. So we got 48 ounces of ground beef. 3 pounds of ground beef. Okay. So now you go ahead and let this ground beef start cooking. We're gonna make it happen right here in this good kitchen. So let's get it started. Alright, so just wanna break that ground beef up. Down, give it that nice twist. Alright, we're almost there. Alright, go ahead and drain this grease, fat. We'll drain this out. We'll drain it, and then we'll rinse it with some cold water. Okay, so I rinsed it, drained it real good. Rinsed it, lovely. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss one of these cubes in there. This chicken bouillon cube. Boom. that's the only seasoning I'm using other than the taco seasoning. Go ahead and put some water in there. Boom. That's all we need right there. So that right there's go ahead and come together. Let it heat up. It's gonna melt. We'll break it apart. I'm gonna mix it in with that ground beef. Okay, so a little chicken bouillon and melt came together. Now we're gonna put our black beans in there. Okay, so now we're gonna add 1 taco seasoning. Right now. We're gonna taste as we go. So we're gonna go ahead and put a top on here. We're gonna let this go ahead and cook down. Okay, so this is my soft shell taco. Now we'll go ahead and make it nice and right. We have some Kobe jack cheese already shredded. And boom. We're just gonna go ahead and put that cheese in that soft taco shell. My oven preheated on 460. Just spread that cheese around. However much cheese that you want on your taco. Alright, so we go ahead and put that in the oven and let that cheese melt. Alright, so we have a hard shell taco. We'll go ahead and place them in there. We'll toss it in the oven for a couple minutes. Okay, so there we go right there. Looking good, smelling good. Alright, so we have our cheese melt. Now we're gonna add a little more cheese on there. Boom. On each one. that there. Go place our tacos. Shells in the middle. Boom. Each shell is gonna go on a rack. Then we're gonna put it back in the oven. Just like that there. Boom, just like that. Go in the oven on 350. Alright, so this man, this is fire. Look at it. Bring it close to it. Now I'm gonna take a nice bite. Alright, so here we go right here. We got them delicious tacos. Fire. Your boy done made it happen in the kitchen again. Did my thizzle. I hope y'all enjoy this video. And don't forget, hit that like button. It's free. Come on now. Let your boy videos get out there. Come on now, let them get out there. Oh. That's how we doing it right here in this good kitchen. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. Taco Tuesday.